Hey everybody, I have another freeze plug that is leaking on my 88 Bronco back there. I'm going to try something different this time. My first video I put one of those rubber plugs in, it's working great. That's been holding up now for, God, it was more than a year, but like I said, until I can pull this engine out and do all these freeze plugs, that's going to have to do. However, this one is harder to get to. It's right by the transmission, or the transmission's in the way. It's on the back side of the engine. I'm gonna try some Weld water weld and see if that'll just plug it up temporarily until I can find time to pull the transmission off and see if that works, if I can get to it a little easier. But until then, I'm gonna try that. I'll give you a little heads up on how it's going. There's a big hole. I can feel it. The crud was holding the water in. So, figure out how I'm going to stop that leak. So I can plug it. I'm going to put a vacuum on it or something. I took my shop vac and I just put it on the radiator cap there and create a vacuum. Pull that back up so it's sucking air into that hole instead of water coming out. Okay, that was probably the most ghetto repair I've ever done. We'll see how long it lasts. Anybody want to take some bets? I'm saying it'll leak tonight, or in about an hour it's gonna fall off or something. So anyway, just a try. I don't recommend that fix for anybody, but I'm hoping that it'll get me by for a little while until I can pull the engine and see what happens. But yeah, I don't think, I mean, once the pressure builds up inside the radiator and inside that water and cooling system, it's just gonna blow that stuff right off, I'm sure. But we'll see. Maybe I'll be surprised and maybe somebody else can use this fix later, but I wouldn't recommend it. See ya.